How to use coupons on Shein app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application from your device and get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to use the coupon, you have to purchase an item from your Shein account. Let's go ahead and do that. You can either search for any item that you would like to purchase or select from these existing items. For instance, I'm going to go ahead and choose this dress. Select the color and the size and tap on Add to Cart. Let's go ahead and go on to our checkout. Tap on Cart option. Check the dress that you would like to buy, then tap on Checkout. Now at this page, make sure that you have entered your location. Also make sure to enter your payment method. You can go with any of these given options. And under here, you will see Apply Coupon. Tap onto it. Now here, you can simply paste the coupon code that you have, then tap on Apply. Now come back. Once done, tap on Continue. And if your coupon code is valid, you will be successfully able to redeem it. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.